The Audi A3 8Y, introduced in 2020, features rear wiper control through the MMI infotainment system or a physical stalk on the dashboard. This overview covers how to enable, disable, and customize the rear wiper settings for better visibility in wet conditions. The rear wiper is designed to enhance visibility during rain or when reversing, with options for automatic activation based on sensors or manual control. To use the MMI system, start your Audi A3 8Y. Navigate to Vehicle on the touchscreen. Then, find Exterior Mirrors and Wipers, or similar, depending on language settings. Select Rear Wiper. Here you can choose On, Off, or Auto. Alternatively, use the physical button on the wiper stalk near the turn signal lever. This offers instant control to toggle the rear wiper. Experiment to find which method is easier for you. In auto mode, the rear wiper engages briefly when shifting into reverse or continuously if the front wipers are active and the vehicle exceeds 10 km/h in rain. The Smart Rear Wiper mode, introduced in OTA Update 2024.2, uses rain sensors and speed data for efficient activation, reducing power consumption. To disable the rear wiper permanently, navigate to the Settings menu in the MMI system. Locate and uncheck the Rear Wiper Enable option. Complete disabling may require dealer authorization to comply with safety standards. However, disabling is not recommended in areas with frequent rain or fog. If the rear wiper isn't working, start by checking fuse 21 in the fuse box. This common electrical issue can prevent the wiper from functioning. Next, inspect the washer nozzles for clogs. These can block water flow and affect wiper performance. For more detailed diagnosis, use Audi's diagnostic tools to check for error codes such as wiper motor overload. This can identify underlying mechanical issues. Recent over-the-air updates have enhanced customization options for the rear wiper. Users can now control it via the digital instrument cluster with haptic feedback on the touchscreen. Looking ahead, future trends include AI-driven weather prediction for proactive rear wiper activation based on forecasts. Additionally, sustainable zero-waste designs will use eco-friendly materials and self-healing blades.